So right now you can see I am on Windows 10, and if I bring up this PC health check application and click on check now, it says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. Now what you have to do, simply you will have to download the Windows 11 ISO. So bring up any of your browser, search for Windows 11 ISO download, click on the first link of Microsoft. Here on the website, scroll down a bit, click on select download, choose Windows 11 Multi Edition, choose your product language, make sure you keep the same one, and then finally click on 64-bit download. And as of now, we are downloading the latest version, that is 25H2. So once the ISO has been downloaded, next what you have to do, right click on it, click on mount, and all the file will be displayed here. And here at this location only, what you will have to do, click on the address search box that is on the top, replace everything, type CMD, hit the enter key, and this will bring up the command prompt on this location only. So you can see the command prompt is up, and it has automatically detected the E drive where my ISO has been mounted. So now in order to view all the file, just type a simple command that will be dir, and it will list you all the file, and you can also see we have the setup.exe. So we are almost done. Just type a simple command here that will be setup.exe space / product space server space / compat space IgnoreWarning space / MigrateDrivers space all. This is the only command you need, and I will also leave this in the description so that you can simply copy and paste. And once you hit the enter key, very soon you will see that the Windows setup page will be up and it says install Windows Server. So you need to click on change how setup download update. Click not right now. Click on next. And you will see it will be checking your PC and automatically it will bypass each and everything. So just click on accept and boom, you can see it says choose what to keep. So if you don't want to lose any of your files setting an application, make sure the first option is being selected and click on next. And very soon you will be getting the preview page ready to install, and it says install Windows 11 Pro, keep Windows 11 setting an application. So you just need to click on install now and the installation of Windows 11 will be started. Now the best part is it will be installing the Windows 11 to the latest version. It will also bypass each and every requirement of Windows 11. It will also bypass the Microsoft account so that you should not get any prompt for any of the Microsoft product. And here we go. So now you can see we have successfully upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and none of our data has been deleted. So you can see the application on my desktop still exists. Even in the download location, I downloaded the Windows 11 ISO that still exists. And that basically indicates that your even data will also not be deleted. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you really love this method. The simplest method to upgrade to Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without losing the data. And if you really enjoyed the video, found this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.